Data tells a story, but color dictates how that story is felt. In high-stakes business environments, the palette you choose for your analytics can be the difference between a confused glance and a strategic breakthrough. At ANGLIA, we integrate psychological principles into our website design to ensure that your sales reports do more than just display numbers, they persuade your audience. Color acts as a cognitive shorthand, allowing the brain to process complex information rapidly. For instance, using strategic contrast in a responsive dashboard can draw immediate attention to a sudden spike in revenue or a critical dip in conversions. ANGLIA experts recommend using warm tones like red or orange sparingly to highlight urgent issues, while calming blues and greens can signal stability and growth in your web-based application development projects. Consistency is equally vital for maintaining professional authority. For listed companies and banking financial institutions, adhering to a brand-aligned color system prevents cognitive overload. When your coding standards include a defined UI color palette, users spend less time deciphering the legend and more time analyzing the data. This intuitive approach is a hallmark of the e-commerce solutions we build, where visual clarity translates directly into actionable business intelligence. Whether you are presenting to government NGO, association boards, or medical healthcare administrators, the right visual cues make your insights stick. At ANGLIA, we don't just build tools. We craft experiences that respect the nuances of human perception. Is your current reporting suite failing to inspire action? Let us show you how a refined online presence and smarter data visualization can transform your sales strategy. Connect with our design team today to revitalize your data storytelling.